On this episode of Doorbell Mania.
A muffin biscuit, your voice is on the phone. I have voice recognition in my voice autographic hearing. I remember.
You didn't drop anybody off here, sir.
Hey, what are you doing? Get out of my house!
Y'all come check y'all ring. Come check the ring. Come check the ring.
Police on their way right now.
Put my package back.
Oh, can I help you?
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.
I'm calling the cops right now.
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This man comes at this house at an unusual hour of the night. Fortunately for him, the homeowner responds to his beckoning call. At first, she can't hear him on the intercom system.
Looking for? Excuse me? I can't hear you.
It is my.
I'm sorry? I can't hear you. I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
The guy dropped off. I don't know his name. The young guy with the dreads, with the tattoos all over his hands. He got the Cuban link chain on and the Cuban link bracelet on. I dropped him off here. He told me he was coming here. I need my. I cannot go to sleep without it. I have a mental condition.
Off here.
I need my. I dropped.
No, you didn't drop.
Ma'am, I dropped them off here.
No, sir.
I heard your voice on the phone. When he called you and asked a biscuit, a muffin biscuit, your voice is on the phone. I have voice recognition in my voice autographic hearing. I remember.
You didn't drop anybody off here, sir.
Call the police. I'm gonna wait right here.
St. Paul, Minnesota. I have no clue what's going on here, what she's about, why is she at their door.
Oh.
This is real suspect.
Hi. It's Olivia.
If I was them, I wouldn't answer it
I just
either.
needed to ask something. Hello? Can I ask Aaron something, please? Hello?
She stays in front of their door late at night for a while, until finally, she walks off in the night. Spooky. Pembroke Pines, Florida. Houston, Texas.
Somebody come open this door. Y'all come check y'all ring. Come check the ring. Come check the ring. Y'all not gonna check y'all ring?
Atlanta, Georgia. This opportunist must have thought the house was empty on account of construction supplies in the driveway. Unfortunately for him, he couldn't make himself at home. He gets caught by the real homeowner prowling and checking stuff on the front porch.
Hey, what the are you doing? Get out of my house! Who the are you? Get out of here! Get the out of here! What are you doing? Get out of my house!
Nashville, Tennessee. This lady must have superhuman strength or something. Walnut, California. If you've seen these guys, don't hesitate to contact your local authorities. Detroit, Michigan. I don't know what's weirder. The next door neighbor Diana dancing on the pole at night, or this house having Christmas lights in the middle of the year. San Francisco, California. Back in Walnut, California. Make sure you keep your doors locked even in the daytime. Bandits are all around lurking, trying to get inside.
Hey, can I help you? Hey, what's going on?
Baltimore, Maryland. To make matters worse, you even gotta look out for bandits carrying long ladders in the middle of the day. This guy is the boldest. The audacity. He pulls the ladder out, even climbs up.
Oh my God!
He tried to get in the second floor window. Kick rocks.
Politely as I can say, my children, return them to me, please, and thank you. 252 Foxbury. I reside there occasionally. I'll be at my back shortly. You've got enough to come back there.
Glendale, Arizona. Of all the cars they would end up running into, this Nissan runs into a Tesla. And if you don't know, Tesla has cameras all over their car. So this Nissan just did a hit and run on this Tesla. Get back here. Where do you think you're really going? Ridiculous. Bronx, New York.
You know what? I'm gonna shut up. Come outside.
I'm not coming outside. I want you
I ain't
to.
gonna say no
I
more.
want you to say what you
They're
say.
opening the door for
When
you,
the
so
cops
you
get
can open
here,
it.
when the
Open
cops
door.
get here, they're going
Open
to
the
lock
door.
you the up.
Open the door.
They're gonna lock you, cause
Open
Bella, I
the
will
door.
shoot you. You don't want me to open this door. You don't want me to open this door.
You're not.
Tulsa, Oklahoma.
The owner that drives that blue Honda, I want to know why they were taking pictures of my car.
Well, I was trying to find out who's dumping trash in there. There's people dumping trash. That's the only reason I was taking a picture of the car. I think who's dumping the trash.
No, like, I seen you come around, pulled up behind me. I seen you flash, and then you drove off.
Yeah.
You
want to see
was
who's
it?
Just want to see who's dumping trash.
Oh, that's where the trash goes, right? At the end of the curb, right?
No, it was on the ground, but you can ask the guy that lived there.
I mean, the guy that lives is right here. That's his house. That's where the garbage goes.
Oh, I was talking to Carlos, the guy that lives in the front house. Anyway, that's the only reason I did it. I just wanted to find out. Anyway, that's the only reason.
Winter Park, Florida. Be safe, people. Be sure to hit that like button. Until next time, have a good one.
Police on their way right now.
Put my package back.
Oh, can I help you?
You gotta get away from my
Can
porch,
you
dude.
please put my, I'm calling the cops.